Hello, my lovely family and friends. Today, I am sharing this delicious recipe. This recipe, it's so good. I didn't expect it to be this good, trust me. And it will blow your mind if you try this recipe, right? So, I hope you're all doing well, by the way. Yeah, I'm sure everyone is great. I'm doing well too. So, this recipe is chocolate and orange rock buns, right? Chocolate and orange rock buns. Very moist in the inside, crunchy on the outside, and the taste is divine. Divine, right? Join me and let's do this together. You know, I love rock buns, but the problem I have with rock buns is when I make it, I only eat the exterior, not the interior, because it tends to be very dry. So today we are using some evaporated milk, a little bit of condensed milk, and then yogurt, right? The yogurt is going to make it very, very, very moist, okay? I just added the rind of 2 oranges, some vanilla, and then here some orange extract, okay, so to give it that more orangey flavor. I'm going to give it a stir and I'm going to add my eggs. So what has happened here is my camera went off without my knowledge, so I didn't video any part of this, okay? So here in this bowl I have flour, self-raising flour. I've added some nutmeg and some salt, okay, and butter. I've added butter. I've mixed the butter, rubbed the butter in the flour, and it's all come together as crumbs. And now I've added the wet ingredients. So here I've sourced this video from my previous video where I made rock buns. I think this is the coconut rock buns, okay? So what I didn't catch on camera is the exact thing that is happening here, okay? It's just that the ingredients are different. So you add the butter like this and you're going to rub the butter in the flour with your fingers as you see me do. And when it looks like this, like breadcrumbs, all right, you add your wet ingredient, the mixture that we did together earlier on. You mix it and then we come to a stage where it becomes sticky. And here is where I got to. I realized that my camera wasn't working, okay? So I'm adding some chocolate chips, right? Adding chocolate chips to my mixture. I'm going to stir it in. And then we'll scoop it into our cupcake tins. We'll bake it and it is ready. At this point, this mixture was smelling amazing. Trust me, if you get enough of the orange to go into it, you'll love it, okay? So what I think I did was wherever I think I added the juice of the orange to the liquid, right? I didn't show that because it's just the camera just went off, okay? So you squeeze some of the orange juice and you add it to the liquid. I'm going to put all the measurements and the ingredients I use in the description box for you, okay? So you scoop it into your tin and then we bake it, right? So that's very, very easy. So it's going into the oven, it's baked, and look at it, it's ready. Once it's hot, what I did was this I just showed you is orange and chocolate, okay? It's just already made orange chocolate. So I think in Ghana we call it orango or something, orango or orango, something like, if you get that dry one, you grate it and then you sprinkle it on the rock buns and it's ready. So now I'm going to open it for you to see how it does look. Nice and moist inside. Trust me, you love it. It tastes so good. Very, very good and amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe I've shared with you. I hope you give it a try. You will love it when you do. And yes, don't forget to like this video if you actually do like it, and share if you think someone will benefit from it, okay? Thank you. If you're new here too, welcome, and just subscribe if you're interested in what is going on here. I'll see you in the very next one. Thank you and bye.